Alright, what's going on everybody? It's Mark again with No Blemish Mobile Detailing. Welcome back to our channel. You guys are having a blessed day. Just, thank you guys for tuning in. If you guys haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification. See you guys soon. Alright guys, so today's video is actually brought to you guys by Auxito. Going to be LED lights that we're going to be installing in our 2023 Chevy Silverado. This is another product that we're actually new and hearing about. They actually have been around for a while, and once hearing about them, we actually looked them up, seen a lot of their other YouTube videos that they got out, and we've actually heard a lot of good things about them. So we're looking forward to installing these in our vehicle. We'll show you guys the process and we'll show you guys the results. So as you see, it comes in a small little package. We're gonna get ready to open it up, see what's inside. Fresh new box, and then from there we're gonna go ahead and take apart our lights and install them, and we'll go from there. It tells you a little bit about it. The high brightness, easy to install, quick start, fast heat, and they're made for off-road as well. So let's open up this package and let's see what is inside. So they look small, but I'm sure they're gonna fit. Yeah, seems like they're stretchy. They're actually nice and comfortable. So of course we're gonna throw these on for safety first, but I'll put them to the side for now. Got a little zip tie here with some rings. Kind of looks like maybe that's some glue, the double-sided styrofoam maybe. And then here we're gonna have our lights. Okay, so these are actually going to be the low beams. We're going to change out our low beams, and then as you see here, it says a positive and negative. So it tells us to remove the original bulb, of course, right? Remove the dust cover, things like that. You know, I'm aware of those things. So let's give it a shot. There we are. If you guys are not aware, our low beams are actually going to be our lights on the left hand side. So we're gonna replace these ones. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and just, you know, squeeze these here, pop off the little clip here on the back, and it comes right off. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and remove our old light bulb. Simple, just twist, you pull it right out, still good. So what I'm gonna do with this bad boy, I'm gonna just leave it here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take our adapter here, and we're just gonna simply click it in just like that. So we inserted it, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna go left, and just like that, the light's inserted. Okay, we're gonna give it a test. Okay, so there it is, just like that. Our lights are installed, and you can see the big difference already. It's the sun's out, but I'm looking forward to what this is going to look like in the nighttime. And what I'll do is in a future video, you don't have to do it. You can see the results already, but I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do a headlight restoration on my headlights so we can get more greater results. I'll put that in another video down below. But check it out, guys. I'm actually very excited. I'll be honest, it was actually a lot easier than I expected, so that's actually a very big plus for me. You can see there's our new LED light from Auxito. Once again, thank you to Auxito, shout out. We're happy. I know it's gonna look good in the night. If you guys are in the market for any headlights, whether it's your high beams, low beams, Auxito does have a variety of different lights. And what you can do is we're gonna put it here. If you want to go on Auxito, we're gonna leave their information in the description below, and if you use the code here, you receive a 15% discount. I would recommend it if you're in the market, once again, for LED lights. So we're actually on a second headlight, and this actually took literally less than 5 minutes to install these lights, and that's not exaggeration. I would say less than 5 minutes. Where there's no, we're not editing anything on our process from doing the lights, you know, and real simple, real fast. That's the perks of having an older vehicle also. Back in place. Put our pin. So this pin actually has to go in underneath because this plastic here is in the way. So I'm gonna push it with my belly. Once again, another perk of having a big belly, that you can use your stomach as an extra hand if you need. Push it in, put it in place, put your old lights away. Close your package. Check it out, Auxito. With the original lights, you're gonna have more of a dull look. With Auxito LED lights, you're gonna get more of that clear, bright shine. So that's good. All right, guys, check it out. These lights are actually super bright. They're a lot brighter than I expected. Our difference, those are our high beams and our low beams. Our low beams are actually a lot brighter than our high beams. Man, it's awesome. Look at it, goes into the trees, out towards the neighbors a little bit.